For 73 years, she slept in darkness. A forgotten legend at the bottom of the sea. A relic of command. Silent, yet still telling the story of a final order. The portholes like empty eyes, staring into a past sealed by time and pressure.
How many days has it been? Just sand and darkness. Have to keep searching.
Wait, is that? It can't be. Zoom in. That's it. We found it.
Beginning the descent. The light is fading. I'm in the pressure now. We're entering another world.
My God, it's bigger than I ever imagined. A wall of steel. A ghost.
Okay, focus. Deploying the ROV. Easy does it. Nice and easy. Entering the grand staircase. Careful. Oh, the chandelier. It's still there. An officer's cabin. The bathtub. Someone lived here. A life. Time to go. Let her rest. Goodbye, Titanic.